Have I got a delicious recipe for you guys to cook today? My chicken and tomato tacos, celebrating these beautiful Perino tomatoes, because from the 31st of January all the way through to the 27th of February, 5 cents from every packet of the red and medley 200 gram Perino tomatoes sold will go towards the Stephanie Alexander Kitchen Garden Foundation, all the way up to $100,000. So it's a perfect time to cook with tomatoes. It's the middle of summer, so it's a perfect season. And this dish is a perfect one for you to cook to give the kids a nice, quick and easy meal. It's packed full of veggies and it will only take you 20 minutes to cook. So the first thing you need to do is get a pan on a nice high heat. And we're gonna go in with a little splash of oil into our pan. And I've got half a red onion sliced thinly in here. Quickly fry that off. While our onions cook, we can quickly flavor up our chicken. So another little splash of oil into our bowl with some really thinly sliced chicken breast. And then I've got my spice mix here. Some cumin powder, some coriander powder, a little bit of smoked paprika, and if you like it hot, add some chilli powder as well. And then just mix this to coat. Now, once we get a bit of colour on our onions, we can dump our chicken into our bowl as well and give that a little cook. The great thing about slicing your chicken nice and thin is that once it changes colour, it's pretty much cooked through, and you can see our chicken looks really good there. Now our Perino tomatoes, cut into quarters. I've used the beautiful red ones here. You can use the medley as well. And what we're going to do is add them into our taco mix and just cook them for 30 seconds to a minute, just so they soften slightly. They're going to make our taco mix a little bit saucy and give us that beautiful sweetness that Perino tomatoes bring to the party. A little pinch of salt, and then just a little toss together. Now it's time to build our tacos. So I've just quickly warmed some tortillas in a pan here, so you can see they're nice and pliable. Once you warm in a pan, put them into a tea towel just to let them steam and stay warm. I've also made a really quick little salsa here. So I've got some coriander, some jalapeno, a little bit of spring onion, add a little bit of oil, pinch of salt, blend that all together, some lemon, and that's your coriander salsa to go on top. We'll start with our tomato and chicken filling, a little bit of green salsa, so blitzed up coriander salsa, and then here I've got some really quickly soured onions. So just some onion, a little bit of salt, some lime juice, and a pinch of sugar. They go nice and soft. Green onion that was in our salsa, a pinch of some feta here, chuck a little bit of coriander on top to finish it off, and there you have it. A really quick and easy recipe you can cook at home in 20 minutes to feed your family, starring the beautiful Perino tomatoes. As we said, 5 cents from every pack of those sold between the 31st of January and the 27th of February will go towards the Stephanie Alexander Kitchen Garden Foundation, all the way up to $100,000. So it's a perfect time to cook this recipe and to eat these beautiful tacos. I'm gonna have this. You're gonna go grab the recipe, get shopping, and enjoy this delicious dish. Cheers.